We like to make fundamental scientific discoveries, but we're most excited when these fundamental discoveries lead to inventions that can be used by humankind.
We make a tremendous effort to move innovations from the bench towards the marketplace. The world is at a point where it absolutely requires that public institutions do more than educate the next generation. They have to be part of the economic development that goes on both regionally and internationally, for that matter.
I am sure that we will continue to be an economic engine for the region. I fully expect UT Dallas to always be on that path of innovation. Together with our partners, we will create a future that benefits us all.
What we do is we take these fibers and insert so much twist in them that they coil. And these coiled muscle fibers are actually used for these comfort adjusting jackets, which increase their insulating ability as it gets colder.
What we're doing is we're printing structures layer by layer, but in the same material, we can basically control how stiff that material is just by controlling the geometry, the chemistry, the interfaces. And so this has spawned a whole industry of building parts for cars, for planes, for medical devices.
People come here with the idea of creating their own future, but doing so now. We have students that put their ideas forward to compete for startup resources, and with it we do something that's different than most ivory tower institutions. We actually want to support and nurture these kinds of opportunities for our faculty and students.
During my time here, I started a company called Survivor, which specialized in immersive training solutions for law enforcement officers. And I was very fortunate because the mentors here were very gracious and patiently explained the building blocks of a company, from formation to sales, marketing, product engineering, finance, legal, everything that we needed to get set up and on the ground running.
I work on translating research technologies towards commercial outcomes. So in that context, I do it where I'm helping other companies bring technologies into the marketplace. And one such example is the COVID breath analyzer, where we can screen for metabolites for the disease from human breath.
I recently started an initiative called Arts for Science that allows me to merge my passions for art and for science in order to raise awareness of the work that my lab is doing here at UT Dallas.
The university has been paramount in our commercial success. All of the core materials, innovations, and chemistries that were discovered were done here at the university, were acquired last year by Desktop Metal. We're publicly traded on the New York Stock Exchange. We'll do about $250 million in top-line revenue this year. We have assets in 60 countries all over the world.
Within 3 years, we expanded to 10 states with customers from law enforcement agencies to universities, private security firms, the US Air Force, and the US Department of Homeland Security. And it was profoundly life-changing. I mean, it was quite literally the American dream.
So the environment at UTD is highly entrepreneurial. It gives you the flexibility and the agility that helps us reduce the cycle times for us to get technologies out.
About half of my 106 issued US patents were because of work and inventions we made at UTD. We have a team of patent lawyers who help with this process, help ensure that these patents are issued in a timely way.
When I do the STEM outreach, I'm able to bring high school students into my lab here at UT Dallas to get research experience. And so the university's been supportive in that regard.
All of this can happen here at UT Dallas. At the same time, companies that want to bring to light these innovations can partner with us so we can truly impact our region.
We've centralized a lot of the polymer processing, manufacturing, and development in the Richardson IQ. So we can take advantage of the incredible business environment here in Texas and also the intellectual capital that comes out of UTD.
The Innovation Corridor is the phoenix that is rising from the ashes of the telecom industry. And with it, we have the opportunity to be part of a tremendous experiment.
Since the acquisition, I've returned to UT Dallas to mentor the up-and-coming startups here. And to me personally, that's one of the most meaningful ways that I can give back after all that they have given me when I first started my company.
Yeah, we don't know where the next great idea is going to come. And we have to have full engagement of everybody and representation such that we can have a chance to lead the way towards the next innovation.